Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for anxiety and stress relief. Take a moment to get comfortable, sitting or laying down. Allow your hands to rest gently, and if it feels comfortable, softly close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through the nose and gently exhale through the mouth. Again, breathing in slowly and breathe out. Allow the body to begin to settle. There is nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing you need to figure out. This moment is simply a space to breathe and to rest. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise of the chest as you inhale and a soft release as you exhale. With each breath out, allow the shoulders to soften. Let the jaw relax. Let the forehead smooth. Now imagine a calm, gentle light surrounding you. This light feels peaceful, steady, safe. With each inhale, imagine breathing in this calm light. And with each exhale, release tension from the body. Let go of worries about the future. Let go of the weight of the day. Right now, you are simply breathing. Quietly repeat in your mind, in this moment, I am safe. Again, I am breathing and I'm okay. Again, allow yourself to rest in this calm space for a few moments. Now begin to gently deepen your breath. Feel the body rest and here supported. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you as you continue your day. May your heart be open and free. May you be filled with love and kindness. Thank you for taking this moment to breathe and rest. Namaste. If you like this guided meditation, please subscribe to my channel and you can receive more videos like this or longer. Thank you again.